Once upon a time, in a forest, lived a little squirrel who was very forgetful. Every time he went out to gather food for his winter, he would forget where he had hidden it. Sometimes his food would fall into a nearby river and all of it would be washed away. He would spend the entire winter looking for his stashed away food, but by the time he found it, it was already spring. One day, this squirrel was collecting acorns when he came across an old, wise owl. "Hello there," said the owl. "Why are you gathering food now? You have plenty of time before winter." The squirrel replied, "I'm gathering food for the winter, but every time I do, I forget where I hide it. Sometimes my food falls into the river and is washed away, and so by the time I find it, winter is over." The owl suggested, "Why don't you build a treehouse up high where your food woe and get wet and where you woe and forget where you hid it?" The squirrel liked the idea, but he lived in the lowest branches of this tree, and building a treehouse up so high seemed like a very difficult task. "Oh, how I wish someone would build me a treehouse," sighed the squirrel. Suddenly, the wise owl hooted loudly. Hearing this commotion, a woodpecker came by and asked what was wrong. The owl explained the squirrel's problem and asked if he could help. The woodpecker pecked his head and said, "Of course I will make him a treehouse." So the woodpecker began pecking and hammering on the tree to make a treehouse for the squirrel. But after working for some time, he stopped and said, "I'm sorry, but I have to go collect berries for my children. I'll come back and finish your treehouse later." The squirrel was very disappointed, but he understood. A few hours later, the squirrel saw a chipmunk passing by. He quickly called out to the chipmunk, "Hey, please help me build a treehouse. Can't do it alone." The chipmunk asked, "Why do you want to build a treehouse?" The squirrel explained everything, and the chipmunk agreed to help. Together, the chipmunk and the squirrel gathered leaves and twigs and made the treehouse walls. They made it cozy with soft moss for the squirrel to live in. By this time, the woodpecker had returned, and seeing their hard work, he decided to finish the treehouse right away. He pecked and hammered until it was strong enough for the squirrel to climb up. Finally, the treehouse was ready, and all the animals gathered around to see the squirrel's new home. The squirrel was very happy. He thanked the woodpecker and the chipmunk for helping him, and invited them both to share his treehouse. They happily accepted, and the three of them became best friends. Every day they would go out together to gather food. The woodpecker would suggest, "Let us take some of this food and put it in your treehouse for the winter." The squirrel would reply, "No, I've learned my lesson. I will not be wasting my time gathering food when I won't need it. And besides, I don't want to bother you or the chipmunk by asking you to build me another treehouse if I forget where I hid my food." The woodpecker and the chipmunk agreed. As winter approached, the squirrel started getting worried about his food. One morning, the squirrel woke up and found that all the trees were bare. It had been a very windy night, and all the leaves had fallen off the trees. The squirrel panicked.
Oh.
He ran to the treehouse window and looked down. All the branches looked the same, and he couldn't remember which tree his treehouse was in. He was too scared to jump and check each branch, because if he wasn't careful, he might break his leg. Seeing his friend in trouble, the chipmunk and the woodpecker rushed to help. The woodpecker said, "Don't worry, I'll go find some tall trees so we can move your treehouse to a higher branch." While the woodpecker was gone, the chipmunk turned to the squirrel and said, You would have to waste your time gathering food for winter if you just listened to the owl's advice in the first place." The squirrel replied, "I know, but I didn't want to build a treehouse way up high. I wanted to live here in the lower branches." The chipmunk shook his head and walked away. When the woodpecker returned, he found the squirrel sitting quietly. The squirrel told him about his conversation with the chipmunk. The woodpecker nodded his head in understanding and said, "Sometimes we have to learn lessons the hard way." Then he offered, "Since you don't want to live in a treehouse, I can make you a den under this tree." The squirrel was very happy and thanked the woodpecker for being such a good friend.